Well, folks, the only thing left now is to put the tire back on. For that, I'm using my DeWalt impact drill with a 21mm socket. So let's do that. Now, move those lugs, Mr. Garry, and let's see if we can get this tire now on. And for that, I might have to jack up. Yeah, so I'm going to have to start up the tractor. So bear with me because the tractor is a little bit low there now. Okay, so let me do that. Okay. We got to start her up in order to jack her up a little bit. So let's do that. Now, turn my key ahead and make sure I got that on over there. Okay, that'll warm her up a little bit. Count to 30 there, Mr. Garry. The gold plug, the glow plug, the yellow one there. Make sure it's on. Okay, so I think that's good enough. Now, back here. Up. Okay. All right, so I think I got her up enough there now. Okay, so I jacked up the tractor enough now that I think I can get my tire on. Probably a little higher than I need actually, but that's okay. We'll get that on there now. Let me see if I can get that in on those two lugs. There we go. All right. Now, I'll put them on hand tight for now. And then I'll use the impact wrench. Now, come on, your hand's cold too. Okay, there's one. Now, as I said, I'll hand tighten them, and then we'll use the impact wrench, the impact drill. Okay. Come on. And one more. As I said, I'll hand tighten them, and then I'll use the impact drill. Okay. All right, so let's try the impact drill. 21mm. Okay, a little bit each time, and go around all 5. Like I said, a little bit each time. All right, shoulder good and tight, Mr. Garry. And, okay, I'm gonna start her up again. Okay, I should be able to let her down now.